2018 since I started to go work, in abroad many place to go so, we decided to travel, where we live, Hong Kong. We don't wait memories to come, we make them. We bought our gear for coastering, hiking and trekking. We are happy for it, and also we plan where will we go for to avoid any sudden events while in the mountains or on the beach. All gears are ready to go. But wherever we end up, only one thing matters, everyone is safe and happy. So this is Hikers. Be one of us. This is Ozzy, Gretchen, Tazzy, Yusang aka Rosanna, Barong aka Betty, and Del. This is Kimchi, Faith, Yvonne the Jumbo, Kits, the Hikers, and Bing. Thank you from Jumbo's team, God bless. All goods in the hood. Like and subscribe to Rogi in Hong Kong.
The entrance to the Sky Cave, a challenging rock formation located on the hiking trail at Lo Han Tower on Lantau Island, Hong Kong. Lo Han Tower is not a building, but a natural landmark that is part of a difficult hiking trail, often combined with a trek to nearby Lantau Peak. The area is known for its steep sections and rocky terrain, including the Lo Han Gap. The trail is considered challenging and is not recommended for those with vertigo. The Sky Cave is a hidden spot that requires some exploration to find. To get there, follow these general steps. Getting to the starting point. Take bus route 23 from Tangju MTR station to Ngongping village, or use the Ngongping 360 cable car. Starting the hike from Ngongping, walk towards the Wisdom Path and the Big Buddha. The hike begins near the Phoenix statue. Following the trail. Follow the trail that consists of large rocks and steep climbs. The path is part of the challenging North Phoenix Trail, leading past several notable rock formations and caves, including the One Tree Cave, Water Dripping Cave, and North Heaven's Gate.